Hello guys. Today I'll tell you how to fix mouse click problem in Hello Launcher. As you can see, wherever I click the mouse, it responds directly to it, which is very annoying. So to get pojavlauncher like mouse, follow my step. First of all, click on the floating icon and scroll down and click on mouse control type and select slide option. And then the problem is fixed. As you can see, the mouse is working like pojavlauncher 1. So, this much for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, and bye bye.